Welcome back to Wander, Explore, Repeat. I'm Daniel Jones with another in our Caribbean resort reviews. As always, I try to keep a balance between the positive and negative reviews and comments from the major rating sites. This time, we'll see how Royalton Hideaway Punta Cana stands up against the rating sites. Here we go. Royalton Hideaway Punta Cana has become one of those resorts that online reviewers love to debate. And the moment you walk into the lobby, you understand why. The marble floors shine like they're trying to win an award, and the welcome drink hits with the confidence of a resort that knows first impressions matter. Rating sites are full of people praising the elegance, while others complain the check-in line moves slower than a philosophical turtle. It's a dramatic mix of opinions, and honestly, it sets the tone for the entire stay. The grounds are immaculate, and reviewers consistently rave about how beautifully maintained everything is. Palm trees line the walkways like they're participating in a synchronized fashion show, and the gardens look curated by someone who whispers affirmations to flowers. But mixed in with the praise are comments about occasional Wi-Fi drops, which some guests treat as a personal attack. It's funny how a resort can be paradise until someone's Instagram story fails to upload. The rooms get high marks for being modern, spacious, and stylish, with plenty of reviewers praising the comfortable beds and sleek decor. Some guests say the rooms feel like a boutique hotel, while others insist they're nice but not mind-blowing, which is the kind of lukewarm compliment that makes you shrug. The minibar earns praise when stocked and fury when forgotten, creating a passionate divide among reviewers. It's amazing how much emotional weight people place on tiny bottles of soda. The bathrooms are a highlight for many guests, especially the rainfall showers that make you feel like you're starring in a tropical shampoo commercial. Rating sites are full of people celebrating the luxurious feel, though a few mention inconsistent water pressure with the intensity of someone reporting a crime. It's always amusing how a shower can make or break a vacation for some travelers. Still, the overall consensus leans positive, and the bathroom selfies prove it. The Hideaway section gets glowing reviews for its adults-only tranquility, with many guests calling it the best part of the resort. People love the quiet pools, the relaxed vibe, and the absence of children launching themselves into the water like caffeinated dolphins. A few reviewers complain that the exclusivity doesn't always feel exclusive enough, especially during peak hours. But overall, the Hideaway earns strong praise for delivering the serenity people crave. The pool bar is a consistent crowd pleaser, with reviewers praising the bartenders for their speed, skill, and ability to remember drink preferences like friendly mixology wizards. Some guests say the drinks are strong enough to make you rethink your life choices, while others insist they're too sweet, which is a debate that will never end. The atmosphere is lively, and the music keeps the energy high without overwhelming conversation. It's one of those places where even the skeptics eventually smile. Service around the pool gets mixed reviews, with some guests praising lightning-fast staff and others claiming they waited long enough to contemplate the meaning of existence. Rating sites show a clear divide between people who had flawless service and people who had slow days. It's the kind of inconsistency that sparks passionate online essays. Still, most guests agree the staff are friendly and hard-working, even when overwhelmed. The beach earns rave reviews for its beauty, with many guests calling it one of the most stunning stretches of sand in Punta Cana. The water is a shade of blue that seems scientifically engineered to soothe the soul, and the soft sand gets endless praise. Seaweed, however, is the villain of many reviews, appearing in dramatic retellings as though it personally offended someone. But even the harshest critics admit the resort works hard to keep things clean. Lounger availability is a hot topic on rating sites, with early risers praising the abundance of chairs and late sleepers writing emotional monologues about scarcity. Some guests treat chair saving like a competitive sport, waking up at dawn to secure prime spots. Others complain that the system feels chaotic and unregulated. It's one of those resort issues that will never be universally resolved. The buffet receives surprisingly strong reviews, especially for breakfast, which many guests call the best meal of the day. People rave about the omelette station, the fresh fruit, and the pastries that seem designed to sabotage diets. A few reviewers complain about occasional repetition, but that's standard buffet discourse. Overall, breakfast earns high marks across multiple platforms. Dinner options get mixed, but mostly positive reviews, with guests praising the variety of a la carte restaurants. The steakhouse is a fan favorite, while the Italian restaurant inspires passionate debates about authenticity. Some reviewers say the food is excellent, while others insist it's good but not great, which is the most common resort food review in existence. Still, most guests leave satisfied and full. The Italian restaurant, in particular, gets a lot of attention, with pasta earning glowing praise and pizza receiving mixed reactions. Some reviewers describe the pasta as heavenly, while others say the pizza tastes like it's still searching for its identity. It's fascinating how one restaurant can inspire such emotional diversity. But even the critics admit the ambience is lovely. The Hideaway Pool earns consistent praise for its peaceful atmosphere, with many guests calling it their favorite part of the resort. Reviewers love the quiet environment, the comfortable lounges, and the attentive staff. Some guests complain about occasional chair shortages, but that's a universal resort issue. Overall, the Hideaway Pool is a hit. Nightly entertainment gets mixed reviews, with some guests praising the shows and others calling them fine but forgettable. The dancers get strong compliments, while the musicians inspire more divided opinions. A few reviewers say the entertainment feels repetitive, but others insist it's a highlight. It's one of those subjective areas where expectations vary wildly. The resort app is a recurring complaint on rating sites, with many guests calling it glitchy, slow, or emotionally damaging. Some people say it works fine, while others describe it as a digital obstacle course. It's clear the app is not universally loved, but most guests simply switch to the concierge and move on with their lives. Staff friendliness is one of the most consistently praised aspects of the resort, with reviewers highlighting the warmth and professionalism of the team. Even guests who had issues with service speed still compliment the staff's attitude. It's rare to see such universal agreement online. The resort clearly hires good people. Room service gets mixed reviews, with some guests praising the speed and others complaining about long waits. The food itself earns decent marks, though opinions vary depending on expectations. Some reviewers treat room service like a luxury, while others treat it like a necessity. The divide is fascinating to watch. Housekeeping earns strong praise for thoroughness, though timing inconsistencies appear frequently in reviews. Some guests say housekeeping arrived too early, while others say too late. It's a classic resort dilemma, but the overall sentiment is positive. The minibar restocking situation is a surprisingly passionate topic on rating sites. Some guests praise the consistency, while others complain about missed days with the intensity of someone reporting a missing person. It's amazing how emotional people get about tiny bottles of soda, but it's part of the resort experience. The Hideaway Beach Bar earns glowing reviews for its drinks, service, and views. Guests love the relaxed vibe and the friendly bartenders. Some reviewers say it's the best part of the Hideaway section. It's consistently praised across multiple platforms. The resort grounds are large, and reviewers frequently mention the amount of walking required. Some guests love the exercise, while others complain about the distance between key areas. It's a polarizing topic, but most agree the scenery makes the walking worthwhile. The spa earns strong praise for its ambience and treatments, though some guests say the prices are high. Reviews consistently mention the relaxing environment and professional staff. A few guests complain about upselling, but that's common in resort spas. Overall, the spa is well liked. The gym gets positive reviews for its modern equipment and cleanliness. Fitness-focused guests appreciate the variety of machines. Some reviewers say the gym gets crowded at peak times, but the general consensus is favorable. The Hideaway upgrade receives mixed reviews, with some guests calling it worth every penny, and others saying it's nice but not essential. People love the quiet pools and exclusive areas. Critics say the differences aren't dramatic enough. It's a classic resort debate. The main pool area gets lively reviews, with guests praising the energy, music, and social atmosphere. Some reviewers say it's too loud, while others say it's perfect. It's clearly designed for people who enjoy activity. The vibe is consistently upbeat. Bartenders at the main pool earn rave reviews for their friendliness and skill. Guests love the personalized service and strong drinks. Some reviewers say the bar gets crowded, but that's expected. The bartenders are a highlight. Beach vendors get mixed reviews, with some guests appreciating the local culture and others feeling overwhelmed. It's a common Punta Cana experience. Reviewers recommend polite declines if uninterested. The vendors are part of the environment. The resort shops earn predictable comments about high prices. Some guests appreciate the convenience, while others complain about cost. It's standard resort retail, but the selection is decent. Hideaway pool chairs get mixed reviews, with some guests praising comfort and others noting wear and tear. It's a minor issue, but frequently mentioned. Most guests still enjoy the pool area. The chairs do their job. The coffee shop earns glowing reviews for strong drinks, tasty pastries, and cold air conditioning. Guests love the quality and consistency. Some reviewers say the lines get long, but the coffee is worth it. Resort photographers get mixed reviews, with some guests loving the photos and others feeling pressured. It's a common resort service. The photos are usually decent. Opinions vary. beach earns praise for its length and beauty, with many guests enjoying long walks. Some reviewers mention seaweed, but that's seasonal. The water is consistently loved. It's a strong feature. The Hideaway Pool Bar's themed drinks get fun reviews, with guests enjoying the variety. Some drinks are hits, others misses. Reviewers appreciate the creativity. It adds charm. Landscaping earns universal praise for beauty and maintenance. Guests love the flowers and greenery. Some reviewers take endless photos. It's a standout feature. Staff dedication is frequently mentioned, with guests praising their hard work. Even critics acknowledge the team's effort. It's rare to see such agreement. The staff shine. The resort layout gets mixed reviews, with some guests finding it easy and others getting lost. It's a matter of perspective. Signs help, but not always enough. It's part of the adventure. The Hideaway section earns strong praise for its vibe, service, and tranquility. Guests love the exclusivity. Critics say it could be more distinct, but overall, it's a winner. Royalton Hideaway Punta Cana receives a blend of glowing praise and passionate criticism across rating sites, creating a fascinating tapestry of opinions. Most guests love the food, the beach, and the staff. A few complain about service speed and seaweed, but the majority leave happy. In the end, the resort delivers a memorable adults-only experience with plenty of charm and a few quirks that keep things interesting. Rating sites reflect a balanced mix of highs and lows, which is typical for a large, all-inclusive. Vicky and I found the reviews surprisingly accurate. It's a place worth visiting, especially if you enjoy variety. Be sure to subscribe to see more of the type of video you just watched. Click like if you enjoyed this presentation. Tell us about your vacation ups and downs in the comments. I'm Daniel Jones, and I'd like to send you a heartfelt thanks for watching. Cheers!